How to cancel Spotify Premium subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to cancel Spotify Premium subscription. First, download Spotify and log into your account. Then go to Google Chrome and search Spotify web. Then scroll all the way down till you find Login Spotify. Click on that. Then log into your Spotify account. Then click on Account Overview. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Manage your subscription. Then press on Change Plan. Scroll all the way down till you find Cancel Plan. Click on Cancel Plan and your premium will be cancelled. And that's how you cancel Spotify Premium subscription. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.